Why were you, in the later paintings, doing like these very soft, subtle little, I mean, like in the earlier paintings, they seemed very sculptural, almost sculptural, you know, and the way that you put the paint on and scraped it off and sort of had a battle on the canvas.
Right.
And then in the later paintings, they became, you know, there were paintings of Chou En-lai or you know, Nelson Rockefeller or whoever, and they seem to be much more concerned with a very literal kind of almost narrative statement and not as physically violent themselves.
Right. Why I do that?
Yeah.
Well, actually, you see, it's like, okay, it's like I have a certain notion of my own history. Originally, I did a lot of things involuntarily. In the early paintings I showed you, I didn't really know why I was making them. I just made them. Because when I painted, that's the way they came out. When in art school we had a model, it didn't come out that way because it was a different situation. But when I was on my own, they came out this way, okay? Now, you have two choices. You can ride with it or you can go against it, you know? But it's logical to ride with what you're doing, see, and try to evolve a theory or psychology to explain, because it's natural. It was natural for me to do these things. So I try to develop a kind of explanation for it. Now, this is a long explanation, but I'll get to what you're saying. For example, there were around 3 years when I practically stopped painting in the late 40s or early 50s. The reason I stopped painting was I said to myself, what I'm making is so damn ugly. And there's enough ugliness in the world, why do I have to, you know, what's the point of doing this anyway? So I got nervous about what I was doing, and I became at cross purposes, you see. I frustrated myself because I wanted to work a certain way. At the same time, I felt that what am I doing this for? Of course, eventually you justify yourself, okay? We all do that, one way or another. Whether history justifies you or not is something else, but you justify yourself first. My justification was, this is the way things were to a certain extent. This isn't the only truth, it's one of the truths, you see. We live in a very complex world. One of the truths were mutations and monsters and violence and so, not the only truth. But I was more equipped to portray that truth than certain other truths.